Hi everyone! I'll be making fresh pizza dough. It's a simple, delicious crust pizza with your choice of toppings in less than 30 minutes. So keep watching till the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell for future videos. Let's start with flour, yeast, oil, and warm water. It's also fine to use all-purpose flour, but I used bread flour to make a superior crust. Mix well. And once it's thoroughly mixed, let it rest for 5 minutes. And this method requires no waiting around for the dough to rise. Slice into triangular form. The leftover ham or meat of your choice. Mozzarella cheese into cubes. It's ready when you are. Simply pat or roll the pizza dough out onto a lightly floured surface. I also use a rolling pin. As I made 2 pizza dough, I want to show you I've done both and have the same result. So it's chewy, delicious pizza crust. Transfer the crust to a greased pan or dusted with flour. Spread with the desired toppings. And definitely you can be creative here. Pardon the mess, as I have challenged myself if I can make it in 30 minutes. Bake in a preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. By the way, the pizza slicer must use both wheels. This is another easy peasy to make. Why order for pizza delivery when you can make it fresh from scratch so easily? So enjoy the pizza!